Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Madonna MUA. You can find me on all social media on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok at Madonna MUA. It's all the same. Thank you for subscribing. I see some new faces and I'm so excited for this journey. For today's video, I'm coming at you with another review. Not a first impression, a review on the Becca Zero No Pigment collection. I have a lot of opinions, a lot of thoughts on this, and I am going to walk you through it as I do my makeup routine, which is what I have here. Oh my god, it's hot in here. So I'm walking you through this product to let you know how I feel about it, and that can further help you in the decision of whether you want to purchase this, whether this is for your lifestyle or not. So let's get into this video. This is me with no makeup on. The box actually got a little bit of information. Let's see what this says. It gives you a smoothed out, blurred out, virtually invisible finish with the hydration of skincare. Perfect for days when you want to take a break from a full face of makeup look and show the world nothing but you. With the application, use a spatula to apply product to fingertips, gently smooth and tap onto the face. The benefit is smooths, blurs, and the appearance of skin. All-day hydration and all-day oil control. I also received the gloss that's in here as well, and this is basically a no pigment glass highlighter for the lip and face. Put on as a gloss and you put on as a highlight onto the face. That's a no-brainer. Things to note that this has 0 synthetic fragrances, 0 silicones, 0 alcohol, 0 mineral oil. It's cruelty-free and it's vegan. This launches on Becca Cosmetics on July 26th, Sephora.com on August 2nd, and Sephora in the store on August 28th. I've been using this product for a few days. I did it for like 3 days at least. You know, I feel like that's give or take for me to kind of understand how to use the product and how will I incorporate in my everyday routine? How will I use this in my lifestyle? So I needed to try this for a few days. I did it with makeup, I did it without makeup, I did it to go to work. I had to use this in multiple different ways to kind of fully understand how this product works. Why does it work the way that it does, and who the hell is this really for? So this review is basically me looking at this product from a consumer standpoint, from a makeup artist standpoint. I'm actually going to use this product and demonstrate it for you on how I learned to use this, and just kind of go through it together so that you can make an informed decision whether or not you want to purchase this. Is this something that's going to fit your lifestyle or not? So let's get to this little tutorial review-ish. What the packaging looks like. It's super cute. Honestly, I love this packaging. Like, it feels really, really heavy, and it says Becca all around here. It's really nice packaging. Personally like this. I would like to see this on my vanity just because of how aesthetically pleasing it looks. How the texture of this product looks like. I love how the texture looks. It feels cool too. It looks silicone-y, doesn't it? This is what the gloss looks like. Looks like a regular gloss, right? And it has like a really big fat doe foot applicator, which I love. I love when doe foot applicators look like this. It just makes me enjoy lip gloss even more. Since this is a foundation, I still treated it as such, and I went in with my primer, my Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum, because I want my base to be glowy anyway. I'm gonna let my primers kind of sink into the skin, warm up to the skin for now, and I'm going to do my brows and then I'll be right back. The brows are done. I got a little carried away. It's the first time I do my brows with my hair this blonde, so I was kind of playing with the color a little bit. It did say to pick it up with a spatula. It came with a little spatula. I lost it. So I'm just gonna grab my makeup artist spatula, and I'm just going to grab I guess a piece of it. A little, look at that. I'm actually going to put this on with my fingers. I mean, I don't see the point of doing this with a brush or a sponge, but basically I'm using this as if it was a foundation and kind of just give myself a full look because I'm going to work and I need a little bit of coverage. So this is just like a little bit of what it looks like. It just does a lot of smoothing and blurring of the skin. As you can see, it does absolutely nothing to blemishes. It really doesn't do anything for like coverage wise at all. I feel like I'm just adding on, honestly, like a third primer. So as a makeup artist point of view, I personally would not reach for this product. I feel like I can just go on with a primer and will be just fine. If I really wanted that, you know, smooth blur look, controlling of the oils, and still be hydrated, because regardless with makeup you do have to prep your skin. So I will already have been hydrated and everything. So this is basically what it looks like. From a makeup artist point of view, honestly, I would not reach for this product. I don't think it's a staple for the kit. I don't think this is something that we necessarily need in the kit. This is just to blur the skin, and a smoothing primer can do the exact same thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Milk Makeup concealer in the shade medium, and just like cover up the spots that I really want gone. Like that's practically all of this. I used this and I went out and I went and got drinks with my cousin. I had this on with like a little bit of a full face. She didn't know I had foundation or not, so I think that's pretty cool. Like it's that kind of product that you can kind of be a little versatile. I know it seems like a lot, but this concealer is so lightweight that it's not heavy at all. I put this on, and that day it was so hot. I was basically sweating my makeup off. So in terms of longevity, to be honest, I don't know how long this lasts. It just feels like it sinks into the skin. It feels like there's nothing on the skin. Then I wore this again on the day after by itself, nothing at all. Just wanted to see if maybe someone would notice. Just didn't really see like any difference. The beauty community has been saying that they want more foundation shades. Yeah, I can understand how this is an insult to the beauty community, to those who have been asking for more shade range, because Becca really said, she said no shades, love, okay? She said no pigment, like what? But Becca themselves already have a really good makeup, they already have a really good shade range with their foundations anyway. So I just thought that was a little strange for them to go in this route and call it a foundation. I'm just questioning, like, you know, where was the thought process as to, you know, this was going to be like an amazing revolutionary type of product. Like I don't understand, like, where did this come from? Like, where was the point, like what was the point of view? Like what were we trying to achieve with a no pigment foundation? I guess we wanted that glass skin. Maybe we wanted some glass skin. Maybe we wanted like skin-like products. I can totally understand that, because it does give you like a beautiful poreless skin. That is what I really like about this product. But I just feel like, you know, it didn't have to be no pigment foundation. Like I feel like that's where it's going to rub people the wrong way. Okay, so you calling it a foundation, like you might as well have just called this a primer and just called it like a glass skin primer, you know, because that's what's giving me, that's the vibe I'm getting from here. It's that dewy skin, that poreless glass skin. And if you wear this with like a dewy primer like I have right now, like you're going to get that effect. I mean, just look at how beautiful my skin looks right here. It's just, it looks gorgeous. I really like the formula of it, like how it makes your skin look. I'm just, you know, marketing wise, I'm a little confused. It takes a long time to create a product. It takes like months to a year, and it goes into so many different levels, like from R&D team to product development to testing to the actual design of it, the marketing for it. Like people get together in the rooms and offices and you talk about like, what are we gonna say about this? How are we gonna market this? They do this. So that's why I'm just like, why did y'all call it a foundation? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this makeup look so that we can get to the gloss, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did the rest of my face quickly off camera. I actually recorded this, so you will be getting a tutorial on how to create this bronzy look. This gloss is meant to be for the lips and face. However, I really want this highlight to be the highlight of the day today, so I'm just gonna keep this as the gloss for the lips. I'm gonna go in with the lip liner. This is actually from Charlotte Tilbury in Lip Cheats in the shade Pillow Talk. So I'm just gonna give myself like a regular pink lip. This is the gloss, and like a regular gloss. This is what the gloss looks like. On the lips, it actually feels very hydrating. It has a nice slip to it, so I like that. However, I did try this on the face before, and while I love that glass skin look, I didn't like the way it felt on the face. It has a little bit of a sticky texture to it, which is nice because that means as a gloss, this will actually last longer because it has a little bit of a sticky texture, but it has a really nice slip to it, if you understand what I mean. But honestly, the gloss would be the thing what I would pick up, in my personal opinion, because it's versatile. You can use this on the face, you can use this on the lips. If you can use it on the face, I would honestly try to do some editorial looks and try to use this on the eyes as well. Like, that's just something I would do with a gloss anyway, especially with something that is not as thick, because it's not a thick consistency, so it feels lightweight. However, because it's sticky, I don't like how it feels on my face, but it will last long on the face because it's sticky. Like, it's so weird. It feels different on the lips than it does on the face. It's so weird. But it has longevity as far as the gloss goes. So my thoughts on these products. This is something that I personally will not purchase because I just don't feel like I need it. I mean, I have a ton of makeup, you guys, let's be honest. I have a lot of makeup. As a makeup artist, I have products that resemble this. You know, I like a primer that can do what this does and then just go over with a full face like how I did. This is obviously for that girl that loves no makeup, the no makeup look, that really has that beautiful skin but just wants to make it look even more beautiful and just make it look poreless as possible. This will give that to you. That's basically what this is for. So yeah, that is my final thoughts on these two products. Let me know what you guys think as I use them. Put your opinions in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about the product itself. Like, do you have any questions? I can answer you in the comment section. I always respond. That is about it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Madonna MUA. It's all the same. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.